how to set up chat box on your website. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to setting up chat box on your website. So setting up chat box on your website can be done using various tools and platform. Here is the general guide on how you can do it. Chat box platform available such as ChatGPT, live chat, intercom, drift, etc. You can choose any one of it, whichever fits your need. In my case, I'm going to go with ChatGPT. For that case, open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in openai.com, and when you open up or press the link, it's going to take you to its official page. So here you can go ahead and create your account. So for that case, click the sign up button located in the top right hand side corner. Then you can just go ahead and select the email or select the method of creating your account. So there are different options available, such as you could either manually enter in your email address or continue with Google, continue with your Microsoft account, or with your Apple ID and all that. So accordingly, select one, and when you do that, you can go ahead and select the account that you wish to go ahead and create with, and you've successfully created your account. So basically you have to create your login information and you can start exploring your chat box. So that's how you can set up your chat box to your website. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.